I'm not good in grammar, and also I have no enough vocabulary. So it's not better time for me to speak, and I am unable to speak because I have no much knowledge about tenses or grammar. So if you are thinking like this, then you are not alone. I am with you because I used to think like this. But I know that these are not reasons not to speak English, not vocabulary or not grammar. The main reason is fear. What fear? Fear of mistakes. We always stop speaking because in our mind these things continuously knocking our mind. We are not good in grammar, we are not good in tenses, so we will make mistakes in my speaking. So that's the reason we keep silent all the time instead of speaking. But one thing is clear: if you really want to overcome this fear, then you should start speaking. No matter you are making mistakes, you are not good in grammar, and you have no knowledge much about grammar structure. If you have no much knowledge, enough knowledge about grammar or English structure, that is not reason. You should keep working on your speaking practice and speaking every single day. In this way, you will enhance your confidence of speaking because main thing is confidence. If you are confident to speak English with someone or alone in front of camera, so definitely you are good in English. So you know that when I was beginner, I used to I used to think I'm not good in English, or I think I should learn more about grammar. I should learn classes regarding spoken English. But I wasted my time. I know that. But now I realize it's better to speak English instead of focusing on other factors like grammar, dances, courses, coaching, and all these unnecessary things or factors. So please start speaking. Start speaking in front of camera. If you have no mobile phone, so no matter. So don't worry. Start speaking in front of mirror. If you feel shy in front of mirror and speak and you feel uncomfortable, then you should speak against and in front of wall, like in front of you a wall. You know that wall is a non-living object. It will not laugh at you, it will not tease you, it will not notice your mistakes. So you have no any kind of distraction. So start speaking with walls, and while working you should think in English. You should try to paraphrase your surroundings in English in your mind, and you should try to what you are doing, try to speak with yourself whenever you have time or whenever you are alone. Then you should speak alone. You should speak with yourself while working, while talking, and while doing dishes, while doing laundry, while doing household chores. It's a better way to speak. And in this way, you will realize with the passage of time, you are becoming better day by day, every day. And I think it's the best thing to speak to build confidence, because I have experienced of these all kind of things. Now I am able to speak, and before, that I thought it's a very what I should say, it's a very rare for me, it's a very ideal for me to speak 10 to 15 minutes continuously in English without taking any pause. So today is day second of my 30-day English speaking journey. So I realized, and just 2 days I have passed, and on third day I realized I am getting better because I take step toward my practical way, toward my destination, toward my better future. And I want to become, that I already mentioned in my previous videos, I want to become better version of myself in 2026. So I want to change 2026. So from now on, I am trying to keep consistency and upload video on YouTube till 30 day of this series. And we will see at the end of this month, the result will be totally different than now. I am sure about it. So, my main aim to speak with you without any script, without any planning, just randomly click on record button and start speaking on random topic. Like today I talk about fear, fear of speaking. You know, the fear is mistakes. We all have fear of mistakes. We think if I make mistakes while speaking, what other think? What they'll consider me, I'm not educated, I haven't much enough knowledge about English. So it's a very show off and it's a very unnatural unusual way for me. So it's your thinking. Stop overthinking and start practical life. Start and live in realistic world. This world and your surroundings, people whom you think about, they'll never give you, they'll never try to change your future, they'll never help you to build your future. So keep, so please start today. Don't wait for perfection. Perfection comes with consistency and practice. If you really want to change your future, so please consistent, so please be consistent and keep working on your goals until you get success, until you get your, until you get your desired future.